Well, hello there, YouTubers. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this, the Groove On Rugged Speaker. 8 hours playtime. It is waterproof. And well, I don't know, it doesn't say so, but it is. Here we go. IPX7 waterproof. And it does have party mode. So for party mode, you're going to need 2 of them. That's why I have 2 of them. So let's open it up. This is what you get. I bought different colors so that I can show you how they look. I wouldn't normally buy them different color, but I want to show you guys how it looks. How each of the colors look. So let's open this one up. Okay, so this one's kind of like gray. And this one's obviously a light blue. So which one is better? That's entirely up to you. I'm just showing it. So you can pick a favorite. This one's gonna get dirty real quick. This one, I think it'll hide the dirt a little more. They are not stereo. I mean, individually, it's not a stereo speaker, but you can pair them up to make them stereo. So before we pair them up, let's just take a look at this one. As you know, you do get a charging cable, so you plug that in. This is what you get. It is labeled. It says on, so that's good. So you plug it normally. Nothing special here. And the other end connects to the charger, which I'm not going to show because it's not included. You have to get your own. And when it's charging, there's a light there. Let me turn off the lights. So that's what you get when it's charging. And that'll turn off when it's fully charged. Okay, so as far as the auxiliary cable or aux, if you look in the back, you remove the flap, and there you have it. Here's the aux cable. You connect one end to here. It barely fits in there. And the other end will go to a device. It could be a phone, or it could be, for example, a radio. And then you can either turn this on or this on first. Doesn't really matter. So I'm going to turn on the radio first. So you don't hear anything, and then you turn this on and it's going to automatically go into aux mode.
Power on.
And I'm not going to play any music because I'm going to get a copyright strike. So you're going to have to take my word for it. It does work.
Hay algo que descubrir en el parque Discovery Green. Para más información visita
Also, on party mode, and we're going to learn how to set up party mode later, you can actually connect this to one speaker, and then this speaker will transmit the music to the other speakers, or they're going to play in stereo. And I'm not going to demonstrate that, but it does work. Okay, so now it's time to pair this. So to pair it, first we turn it on.
Power on. Bluetooth pairing.
Okay, so now we're going to go to your phone and look for settings. And then on settings, look for connected devices, Bluetooth cast. And now here on Bluetooth, click on it. And it says here pair new device. So you're going to press and hold this button right here. Press and hold.
Searching for connection.
And over here, click on pair new device. Here we go. It's the On Rugged SMAQU. Click on it. So click on allow contacts if you want. Pair.
Bluetooth connected.
So now we're connected. So now let's play a test song. Okay, so that was that. And I think the sound is absolutely great for me. It has substantial bass. It's nowhere near the Sony SRS XB33, which is this one. This one right here. This is just amazing when it comes to bass. Of course, this is $130. This is just $15. Let's do the party mode. So the party mode is when you connect more than one, and you can listen to the left over here and to the right on that side. So let's do that and see what happens. To set up party mode, the very first thing you want to do is turn off Bluetooth on the phone, like I already did. And the next thing you want to do is turn both of them on. This one's going to be the master, so I'm going to turn this one on. And I'm going to turn this one on. And I'm going to press Bluetooth. So turn it on.
Power on. Bluetooth pairing. Power on. Bluetooth pairing. Speakers paired. Left channel. Right channel.
Okay, so now they are paired. They are paired in party mode among each other. So now you have to activate Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay, so now let's listen to some music. Okay, so it sounds amazing when you listen to it like that because they're in stereo. One of them is the left and the other one's the right. So let's turn it off, and you're going to hear that it turns off on both.
Power off.
So they're both off. So that's how you do party mode. So it's absolutely great the way it sounds. Okay folks, so we have reached the end of this video, and my conclusion is that this product, this speaker right here, is a very good speaker. For $15 you can easily just go for two. I recommend it 100%. Is it the best speaker in the world? Of course not. If you want the best speaker in the world, you're gonna have to spend over $100, but this will do the job. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.